I don't know. I kind of feel like they deserve a second round of applause for that. Come on, guys. Single ladies in the room, please take note. Find you a man that will take dancing lessons for the first dance at your wedding.